Alright, just started to hit the subframe with the wire wheels, and it's starting to make a bit of a difference, but I'm gonna have to start disassembling all of the individual, suspension components here. I want to get the knuckle off. I want to just get everything disassembled as much as possible so I can get access to where all the bushings are, and that's really gonna make the biggest difference here. But I am probably gonna do that tomorrow because it's pouring and I don't want to have to go grab my tools from the pouring rain. But decent progress. You can tell. Alright, so we pretty much removed everything from one side of the subframe, so I'm going to just show you how you're going to go about removing the other side, basically. Alright, so the caliper mounting bracket are 17s. Take off. And now I can take the rotor off with the caliper. I got the rotor. We can take the axle out, but we gotta take the pin out here. And it'll come out like that. Now I can take this cover off. Boom. A couple threads. Give it a couple. And you can kind of feel when it breaks loose. And there you go. Here's your axle shaft out. Now we're gonna take off the upper control arm, which is a 19 on either side. That took a lot more effort than expected, but we got it off. Now we're just getting this coilover off. Which, that's a 17 mil on the bottom here, so not in a washer. Back. Alright, just so you can see, this isn't just theatrics or whatever. I actually cleaned up those gears really well. So, gonna turn it over and do the other side. There she is. Getting ready. So this is how it came out. Kind of just like pooling up in between the teeth. Alright, we just got that finished up welding. And she's locked up, so got a new gasket on there, just gotta get fluid in it. And then the disc's ready to go.